There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. The reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Stan, I don't know if you saw the difference.
Yeah, I did.
See,
absolutely.
And even though it's over, I'm making you find out things that you've already done, that's within you already. All right, what's next? You're next?
I guess.
Hello, lovely.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. You're Lieutenant Ahura.
Right.
All right.
Whore?
So.
Hey.
Are we rolling? All right, we are rolling. Tell me about this. I know you're brand new, but have you had any training?
No.
None whatsoever.
Zip.
What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Really?
No. I don't know. I'm just trying it out. Hobby.
It all starts somewhere. 40 years ago, I was where you are.
Yeah.
I was a little Vinnie Goomba, with my walking into an acting class. Actually, I was running from the cops. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I probably should be running from the car.
We were trying to borrow my friend's car, which wasn't our friend, and we were running down the block, and we ran into something looked like a church. Turned out to be the Actor Studio, on 44th Street. But from that day on, I never looked back.
Cool.
But let's tell me about what you're doing. Your monologue.
I stole it from YouTube.
You stole it from who?
YouTube.
Okay.
So it was like a 1-minute monologue contest.
All right. And what's happening?
In the monologue? Or right now?
Right now, I know what's happening. You hate me.
No, I love you. I'm trying to learn.
Yes. Okay. Well, no, but I
It's like I'm making fun of the monologue. Like I'm.
Okay.
She won.
All
the girl
right.
that did it, so.
Okay.
Go
So-
big or go home. So I picked the one that won. So.
Okay. Let's
I hope
try
I do
it.
it justice.
Let's take it there and let's work on it.
Okay. All right. Are we rolling?
I don't know if we're rolling.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Libby Ann Brown, and this is my monologue. Oh wait, I want to set the stage first. So there's a bed right here, right, and there's a window over the bed. It's a hospital scene. Oh, and over here's the door, and then there's like a hall right there.
Love, stand in one spot, and is there one spot you always stare at in your house?
No.
No. Is there a frame or a picture in your house that you know very well?
Yes.
What's on it that you can talk about?
My kids.
You what? A picture of your kid. What's his name?
Her and him.
And
they're
him.
together in the pictures. That's what I'm
Is
talking
it on
about.
the wall?
Yes.
Don't take your picture, your face off that picture. Don't be all over. Because what's going to happen is if you're doing this for a casting director, they're just going to go, what the hell is she doing? You're getting dizzy.
So stand right here and say what I'm saying.
Yeah. I give you tools to get you in the door.
Okay.
Hopefully make it.
Do you want me to start all over?
Huh?
Do you want me to start all over?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I doing okay so far?
No.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Libby Ann Brown, and this is my monologue.
Lovey, have you ever been to a farm?
Yes.
Where was this farm?
West Virginia.
Huh?
West Virginia.
West Virginia.
Yes.
Tell me about this farm. In your mind, picture extreme people milking cows and doing all this stuff. I want you to go there. Go there. The extreme picture of this farm. There's chickens, all this stuff. I live in New York. I saw my first cockfight. I'm serious. I don't mean men behaving badly. I mean, you know, the roosters fighting. I was up. Anyone know Washington Heights? Yeah. The birds were fighting. Anyway, I want you to overdo it.
More than I was?
But stand still.
It's okay.
See, most of the reasons actors don't get cast is because they're not focused. They're not focused.
Okay.
Be focused. Be one well-focused oil machine. Picture the picture back there and overdo it. Animate it.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Livy Ann Brown and this is my monologue. Oh wait, I just want to show you like what's going on so you'll know what I'm talking about. So there's like a bed right here and there's a picture over the bed. It's like a hospital scene. And then over here's a door.
Don't look at me. There.
Over here's a door with a hall. And then there's a chair that I sit in and it faces the bed. But I don't want to sit in the chair, I want to be outside the door. See, it's hard for me to do because it's moving, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to do this monologue without moving. I'm trying.
Love, I deal in the real world. Just do it. Make it big, animate it. When you know the way you used to talk to your kids when they were babies?
Yeah.
Do it that way.
Like a baby.
Like a baby. Come on, you can do it. Do it every day. Lovely, I coach people that are brand new every day. You have to do it. You want to break into this career? Do it.
I'm trying. I just don't know how to do it without not looking and moving.
No, because what happens is when you're doing your piece and the casting director's there and the producer's there and the stagehand's there and you want to look at them, this person sitting there, casting director says, she's not focused at all. They're not looking at your pretty face. They want to know that you have the tools. When they aim 3 $100,000 reds at your face, that you know what the hell you're doing. I
don't know what I'm doing.
You do. I can get you there in 1 second.
Okay.
You don't have to look at the... See, in your mind, you pictured me looking at me. Just look at her. Very pretty. Just animate it.
So just speak it. Don't act it.
No, you don't have to
move.
Yeah. No, I mean you could animate it, but you don't have to go like this and look at me and look at her. You could do it, dear.
Okay. I'll do it.
You know,
Again.
there's 83 episodics being filmed in New York. 83 shows filled with people are doing it every day. You could do it too. So what happened? They lost Veep or something? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do they have any shows here?
House of Cards.
Huh? Huh?
House of Cards.
You guys got to come to New York.
Yes.
We haven't lost anything. We're trying to get rid of them. All right. Hit it.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Livy Ann Brown and this is my monologue. Oh wait, I want to show you like what's going on in the scene before I start. So there's a bed right here and there's a window over the bed and it's like a hospital scene. And then there's a door over here and then outside the door is a hall where I'll be standing. Oh, but there's a chair right in front of the bed. When I come in, I'll sit down and... Oh, I don't want to sit down. I want to go outside the door in the hall. I'm so nervous. Going in the door, shut the door. Billy, this is Libby. Oh, darn it. I didn't want to say Libby. I wanted to say Susan, my stage name. Can I start over?
Okay. You're very focused. All right. love it. You took your first step. You were focused. You know. But you know, only because I learned a long time ago, and I see so many people come and go. You either get it or you don't.
And then red, and then a deep blue.
It's a gun to your
and
head.
When you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel. Then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting
Take
together.
it to a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
Yeah, without yelling. You know, you guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that. You know.